Hello everyone. Welcome to Bengbu Security Seals Co., Limited in China. Our company was founded in 1983. We have over 40 years of experience in security seal manufacturing. Our factory spans 20,000 square meters and 450 employees. As one of the top manufacturers in the industry, we have a lot of experience in both production and technology. All our high-security seals are ISO 17712 certified. Also, our production location in China is ISO 9001-2015 certified and CPAT standards. We have a dedicated team for product R&D. And we also have a professional team dedicated to the design and installation of CNC turning machines. Every CNC turning machine you see is self-developed by our engineers. You're always welcome to visit us. We're sure you'll be impressed by our automated production. Here's our injection molding area. We use only top-grade ABS materials. This is our automated assembly line, built for robotic precision and smooth workflows. This is where we cut steel wire ropes, fully automated and customizable from 1.0 mm to 5.0 mm. This is our quality control zone, where every single item is carefully inspected. And here's our laser printing and final packaging area, the last step of the process. The finished products will be securely delivered to you through our certified logistics system.